Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So in this video I'll explain you how the crude price has moved in the last week and how the crude price can move in the next week. See, if you look at the trend of crude, what we have seen that after making a low of around 76.5, we have seen it has made a high of around $82.5. Okay, and as you can see in this particular green candle, we have seen that this 76.3 was a strong support, and from there we have seen a swing has formed. Okay, so if this level sustained, there is a high probability that it can touch a level of 82.56, and from there a probability of going towards a strong resistance of $85.5. Okay, or if it comes down below again a level of around 78, then there is a probability that we can see it can move further down. Before we move forward, if you have any doubt, mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com and one more mail ID in the description. Please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work in crude, and a telegram link also I have given in the description. You can join that too. Now if you look at this particular chart, what we can see that a swing has formed at this particular level. So if this level sustain, there is a higher probability we can see it can touch a level of $82.11, and if that level goes further high, then there is a high probability we can touch a level of $85.19, which is a strong resistance. So probability is high, we can see it can move further upside. Okay, so once the price sustain, as you know that the dollar is strengthening, even after that also we have seen there's a pullback has come. Okay, so there is a probability if it goes above a level of 85.19, then we can see it can go towards a level of $88.27, and if that level sustain, then there is a higher probability of going towards a level of $90.42. Okay, and if the price goes above that level, then there is a high probability we can see it can go further upside and can touch a level of around $95.35, and from there we can see it can move further upside towards a level of $97.81. Okay, and if the price sustain above this level, then there is a probability of moving further upside and can touch a level of around $101.5. Okay, and from there we can see it can make a high of around $102.42. Okay, and once the price sustain above this level, then there is a probability of touching $105.19, and from there we can see it can go further upside towards a level of $108.8. Okay, and if that level further upside, if that level goes further upside, then we can see it can touch a level of $111.35. Okay, and once the price goes up $111.35, then we can see it can move towards a level of 114, and then we can see a probability of crossing this particular level of 123 is there. Okay, now as I have already explained you one important thing, that the market is uncertain, and as you know that it is moving in a range. Okay, and after that a dollar is strengthening, still we saw there is a pullback has happened. Okay, after making a low of around 76. Okay, so what we can see looking in the chart, if the price didn't sustain this particular level, which is a higher probability that we can see it can move further down. Okay, then we can see it can touch a level of around $77.81, and from there we can see it can move further low towards a level of 76.57. Okay, and once the price fall below this particular level, then there is a higher probability that we can see it can make another level of around $75.96, and if that level also didn't sustain, then we can see it can touch a level of around $73.19. Okay, and once the price fall below this particular level, then we can see it can move further low and can touch a level of around $68.27, and if the price didn't sustain this particular level also, then we can see it can make and touch a level of around $64.88. Okay, so once the price fall below this particular level, then we can see it can make a new low towards a level of $61.8, and from there we can see it can move further down. Okay, any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail ID in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe it.